everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on IMBEWU the seed from the 19th to the 23rd of December 2022 on Monday. Mandlovu appeals to Phakade to step in, but he remains firm in his position. Maharaj and Nirupa have a date finally, but Nirupa reminds him that it's just a start. Zitulele and Kulego can't see eye to eye about Zimele, and Lindiwe's way to sabotage the competition, and Lindiwe want to sabotage the competition on Tuesday. maZulu hopes that Buhle can get through Zimele's tough exterior, but Figile wants to leave them alone with him and ruins plan. Zimele asked Phunyuka to remove maZulu and her kids from the house by force. Will Phunyuka follow this order on Wednesday? She marches over to Nkulego's apartment and make it known to Zimele that she is prepared to fight him with all she got. Jodi is enraged to find Maharaj dining with Nirupa and Shriya on Thursday. Mandlovu blames herself for the family divide. The competition gets underway. Mbali catches Thando lying about being a judge, but Thando is saved when Sebenzile falls ill and Lindiwe is forced to be a judge and Thando is asked to be in the final. Who will win on Friday? Zimele continues his campaign to get maZulu out of the house. Buhle want them all to spend Christmas together as a family. Zimele arrive to move in with an unexpected guest that leaves the family in shock. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.